So, good morning, engineering buddies. So, let's continue solving problems related to plane geometry quadrilateral. So, we're down to our last two problems. No? So, tara, let's solve this second to the last problem. A rectangle ABCD, which measures 18 by 24 units, is folded once perpendicular to diagonal AC. So that the opposite vertices A and C are coincide. Find the length of the fold. So first things first, let's draw our triangle here. So suppose it is our triangle here, and then there's diagonal here. Yeah. And then let's name our triangle here triangle A, B, C, and D. So according to the problem, it is folded once perpendicular to diagonal AC. When we say perpendicular, it makes a contact a right triangle here, a right angle here. So kumbaga parang ito siya. So ito na lang curve. Let's draw it lang. Parang ganyan. Yan. Tapos nandito yung di pala umabot sa center. So ayan. Kasi ito yung nabuong, let's say ito yung right triangle. 90 degrees. And then, parang lumalabas, ito yung fold mo. Tapos parang may nabuo ka pa dyan na dahil nag-fold ka nga. Yan, parang may nabuo kang ganyan. Tapos ito yung fold mo. And parang may fold, nag-fold ka dyan. Yan, ito yung fold. Pero tanggalin na siguro natin para hindi maano. Sana na, yan, parang ganyan yung fold, pero tanggalin ko na para baka parang nababoy. So, basta ito yung fold natin. Yan. So, alam natin, since nag-perpendicular siya, para nahati yung diagonal mo, so para nahati lang siya. Nahati lang siya, so ito ay d over 2, ito ay d over 2. Okay? And then, let's say na ito yung tapos ito, sabihin natin itong base na to, itong base ng triangle, para na may nabukang triangle dito, di ba? Ayan. Ayan, para nabuong triangle. Itong base na to, nahati din siya sa dalawa. So, ito ay x over 2 na lang. Then, ito ay x over 2 na. Okay? And then, paano ba na? Ito sabi ay 18. Ito ay 24. So, first things first, para masolve natin yung diagonal, para Pythagorean theorem lang siya, di ba this, ayon sa triangle na to, as you visualize, itong triangle na to, ayan, kung nabivisualize siya, right triangle yan, so parang d squared is equal to 18 squared plus 24 squared. So, makakakuha ka ng value ng d dyan, which is 30. Calculate natin para sure. So, square root ng 18 squared plus 24 squared is 30. Ayan. Next, may diagonal ka na. Let's put an angle theta here. Magagamit natin siya. Paano natin siya magagamit? Di ba ang tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. So, equal din siya sa, ano ba yung opposite side niya? Ano ba ang opposite side niya? 18 all over 24. Bakit? Ito siya, oh. Itong triangle naman na to. Ayan. Okay? So, yan yung 18 over 24. Then, may mapagagamitan pa tayo. Equal din yan. Opposite over adjacent ulit. Sa opposite side is x over 2 over all over d over 2. So, ito, yung hinahanap pala na find the length ng fold, ito yung hinahanap natin dyan, ha. Itong pagkakatupi na to. So, yan yung x. Yung x yung length ng fold na hinahanap natin. So, dito pa lang, mahanap, alam mo na yung sagot. Kasi, to simplify, di ba, 18 over 24 is, ito cancel out. Since same denominator, bali x over d. Pero alam natin yung d is 30. So, palitan na natin to. 30. Yeah. So, makakuha tayo ng value ng x dyan. 18 times 30 all over 24. So, 22.5 units yung length ng fold. And I believe it is 45 over 2 sa choices. So, sa choices is letter D. 45 over 2. That's how you solve this kind of problem. Okay, next. So, last problem. The parallel sides of a trapezoidal lot measure 160 meters and 240 meters are 40 meters apart. Find the length of the dividing line parallel to the two sides that will divide the lot into two equal areas. So, first things first, let's draw the trapezoid here. Meron ba tayong trapezoid dito? So, gawa na lang natin ng paraan. Para may drawing pa rin tayong maayos. Suppose here's your trapezoid. Sabi nila, meron daw, nag-measure daw yan na 240 meters. So, let's say itong side A na to is 240 meters. So, ito siya. Mula dyan, yan, 240. Tapos ito, side B is 160. Then, 40 meters apart. So, ito siya. and 40. Okay? So ito, alam din natin to since 240 nga yung buo, ito ay 80. Bali mo magamit natin mamaya. Okay? So meron tayong dividing line daw dyan. So hanapin daw natin yung dividing line na yan. Sabihin natin na nandito siya. Na kapag inano mo, equal area. So may area 1 is area 2. So meron tayong dalawang solution dyan. Yung isa, gagamit tayo ng area then algebra. Pero para ma-simplify na yung buhay natin, then since board exam naman to, gamitin na natin tong formula na nilagay natin dito. Sabi dito, the length of divided line parallel to the two parallel sides of a trapezoid is given by the formula C is equal to MA squared plus NB squared over M plus 1, whereas M over N is equal to area 1 of all over area 2. So, rewrite natin yung formula dito. No? Sabi, yung length of dividing line, which is C, so C is equal to MA squared plus NB squared all over M plus N, whereas yung M over N is just equal to area 1 all over area. The area 2 over area 1. So, alam naman natin na yung area 2 all over area 1 is just equal. So, parang lumalabas, M over 1 is just 1. Okay? So, gamitin na natin. So, C is equal to meron pa dito isang solution guys yung medyo di naman siya mahaba pero gagamit tayo ng concept ng algebra kasi may maglilita tayo ng x and y dyan. So ito na lang gamitin natin kasi for board exam purposes kailangan natin makasave ng oras. So using the formula MA squared plus NB squared over M plus N. So 1 yung value ng M, yung A natin is 240 squared plus 1, B squared natin is 160 squared all over M plus N, which is 1 plus 1. So, dyan pala makakuha na tayo ng sagot. Powerful tong formula na to guys. Marami kang masisave na oras para pagkabisado mo tong formula na to. So, 203.96 meters. So, I believe here's a choices. Try letter B. So, this is how you apply the formula for length of the dividing line. So, this concludes our topics in plane geometry quadrilaterals, no? So, nakailang problems din tayo. So, hopefully may natutunan kayo. So, next natin is plane geometry pa rin, but random regular polygons tayo. So, for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So, happy learning, Padayon Engineers!